Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up with your email address on the Bingo Blitz game. So let's get started right away. Now if you have already installed the Bingo Blitz game, go ahead and open it up. And if you open the game for the first time, you will see the new game as well as already have an account options. Tap on the new game button to sign up and create a new account. And at first, you will need to complete the basic tutorial levels. After completing the basic tutorial level, you will gain access to the map screen. And from the map screen, in order to sign up with your email, you will need to tap on your account icon at the top left corner. After tapping on your account icon, tap on Edit Profile. And now, from the Profile Edit page, you will find the email section. Go ahead and tap on Enter your email, and you will simply need to type in the email address that you wish to use for your Bingo Blitz account. After typing in your email address, tap on the Submit button, and now you will be asked to check your verification link. Tap on the Got It button, and now simply check your inbox. Now just open up your email, and you will find the verified link. Just tap on this link, and your account will immediately be verified. And now, your email address has been added, and you are signed up with your email on the Bingo Blitz game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up to the Bingo Blitz game using your email account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.